This is how you install bouncy bands for desks. First, assemble the band by taking one of the pipes and sliding one of the holes on the band over the edge. Pull it down until it is secure on the lip of the pipe. Repeat with the second end of the band. Be sure that the band is straight. Awesome job! Then turn the desk onto its side with the bottom facing you. You are going to put the bouncy band on the front legs of the desk. Hold one of the pipes and slide it onto the lower desk leg. Make sure the pipe is secure on the leg and put both of your feet on the desk leg and the pipe. Pull and stretch the band and slide the other pipe onto the top leg of the desk. Stand the desk up and you're ready to go. Students are now able to sit quietly in the classroom while being active learners using their bouncy bands.